What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually doing some stuff. This may kind of merge together into two days into one video, but first things first, we are picking up another lime green build. As you guys know, lime green is not exactly a common color, so we're lucky on this one. One of these days I'm going to run into a vehicle that I will be purchasing that is not lime green, and I will have to wrap it or paint it. But till then, we're on our way to pick up another lime vehicle. It's not what you think, and it will probably not be a main focus on this channel, but it'll definitely be here. We'll do a few things to it. Oh, guys, look, it's so cute. Wait, hold on. There we go. It's so cute. He's got some tiny tires because he wanted some like 14 wides or something. Oh, they're so small. How cute. Oh my goodness, those tires are so small. That is hilarious. Honestly funny. Oh, it's a 6'4". Good luck. Hopefully it's built. Alright, guys, and that whole like trip to go get the build kind of cut short. It honestly started storming, raining, and it was just whatever. But we're back home now, a day later. We have the build here. Like I said, this isn't going to be a focused build, but if you caught my video a few back where I was like, oh, 100, how I afford this stuff. My Hellcat, my truck, the SEMA build, stuff like that. How do I afford that? And my biggest thing in that story was use your money to make money. And this is kind of what that build is focused on. And I'll talk more about that after I show you. So as you guys know, over here, here's my 2019 Hellcat Charger, Sublime paint. It's an awesome vehicle. And as you guys see over here, here's my 2017 Ram 2500 6-speed manual. It's lifted 12 inches, 40s, purple suspension and all. I couldn't really show you guys the suspension without showing you guys the build that's parked right next to the truck. And now, like I said, you guys, this is not what you expected. And it's not gonna be a focus build because it's just gonna be a small build, but in that process I want to show you how you could take something, have fun with it, and not only will it pay for your fun, but it will pay for itself, and you will make money in the process. Here is the new build on the channel. It's not going to be big, it's not going to be a focused build, but it will definitely have some content involved, and yes, with the lime green theme. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready to see the new build that's parked in between both of these vehicles? There's one more lime green vehicle to the channel, which is beyond funny, but here we go. There it is, guys. Oh my goodness. This is a Kawasaki KFX 400. Yes, an ATV. As you can see, it's decently clean. New tires, new brakes, new wheel bearings. The guy did a lot of work to it. Just as I find on anything on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, even when somebody says they did a lot of work and there's no problems with it, you'll always find something. I've already got a carb rebuild kit on the way because it runs well, but idle's a little funny, and you know, starting it's a little sometimes, but it still runs and drives. So let me get it started for you. Oh god, I just love lime green. That's awesome. Key on, get her in neutral down here, and turn to run and start. So obviously you guys can see, she starts up, she runs, she operates. Like I said, the carb could probably use some adjustment and cleaning, so I got the kit coming. It was 18 bucks. We're gonna rebuild it with a buddy. Other than that, it's pretty sound, pretty solid. I could tell you that it probably does need some kind of an alignment adjustment or something. The tires they're pretty straight, little kind of cocked in, but you know, it's an ATV. You're gonna ride the thing like crazy. So basically I have two options with this build. Now, like I said, this is going to be like the, oh, how do you afford this stuff? And I'm going to say, I need an ATV because I'm going camping and my buddy's got some room at his house to ride. But at the same time, you know, I don't know how long I'll keep it for, but at the same time, the ATV, the money I spent on it, which I won't tell you because you'll see at the end when I do sell it how this all plays out and like how much money you can make and do stuff like that with simple, cheap mods or whatever, and just fixing it up in general. But I've got two ways I can do this build. Obviously, green, silver, and you can see in here, it's a little beat up, needs some, you know, paint work and stuff. And yes, I realize I could take the thing apart, powder coat everything, and do that, but you know how much that would cost? Way too much for what I'm doing. So we'll probably end up painting the frame. I'll sand it down best I can, scuff it up, get it painted, tape everything off, paint it that way because, again, it's a cheap build. I'm not racing this on the weekends. This isn't like a show quad. This isn't anything brand new straight off the line. This is a 2003 Kawasaki. Now if it was brand new, yes, I'd take the thing apart and powder coat everything and do it like completely to the T, inspect right. However, because it's used, it's, you know, decently old, and obviously you can see it's been through its paces. We're gonna do it the more economical way in this sense. However, what we're gonna do is, I got two ways to do this: green and black. Like, I still don't know if I'm gonna do the green and purple on this. I probably should, but I could also do the green and purple on this quad. In that sense, it would probably go the way we did. I honestly could do literally green, purple, just touch the frame up silver. However, what I really want to do, get the frame painted black, get the wheels painted black, Nerf bars black, maybe take the rear brake off, get this painted green maybe. Same thing with the foot pegs here. Exhaust, he did put a pipe on it. Because I live in like a neighborhood right now, I may put a stock pipe back on it. However, if I don't, I still want to get this and paint all that. Probably paint this black and the pipe green. That's what I was thinking. I was already looking at new fuel caps. I could find a green one. I could probably find a purple one if I'm going that route. Same thing with the bar back here. Get that all touched up and painted. I already actually have lug nuts on the way. Those were just a funny touch because it's missing one. So when I went to go look for them, I found something funny. But yes, we got lug nuts on the way. And overall, it's pretty sound. And obviously, you can see it goes with the theme. And it's honestly funny because it just makes me smile. Like this color green, just lime green in general. Oh, it's so funny. It's awesome. I love it. So on this, we could literally go green and purple and just be like, actually, you know what? That actually might be the move. I might be going green and purple on this. I was gonna paint the wheels black and the frame black, but now I might very well paint the frame black and get the wheels done purple, which would be kind of awesome. And then eventually we'll probably do the green and purple on this because it's honestly just such a badass combo. Look at that. So front tires are new, rear tires are about 50%. I don't know, we may get new tires for the rear. Now, like I said, carb rebuild, we'll probably rebuild it after I go camping. Runs fine now. I'll probably run it at my buddy's house, run it through its paces, get it real hot, make sure it's all good and the carb can handle that, and then we'll rebuild the carb when we get back from camping. It's really hot out here again, but everybody focuses on price of the whatever you buy, whether it's the car, the truck, whatever. So in this instance, I needed an ATV for the end of the summer here, camping, buddy's house, he's got some land, stuff like that. Will I keep it in the next year? Probably. If I do awesome on this build and I love it that much. However, what I could say is I will use this ATV, I will fix it up, clean it up, make sure it's 100. It's pretty much already almost there, which is the best part. I gotta, made a deal with the guy, and at the end of it, when I, sell it, it will be in such good condition that I will make money on it. Through me having fun and tinkering and having a little hobby here, I will make money from it. That's what my point was in my video of, oh, how do I afford these things at 22? It's not about how much money you make, it's how you spend it. Now you're looking at me like, you just bought an ATV, that could be X amount of dollars. That's why I'm not telling you guys yet. When you see this whole process unfold and what happens at the end of it, you'll be like, it all makes sense. The concept with this here is me showing you, through me spending money, I'll have fun, I'll have a project, and at the same time, when I'm done with it, I could possibly make between $300, $400, $500, $600,000 on it for just having fun and having an awesome time. That was my point in the video. It's like, oh, go buy a saw and start doing woodwork if you like woodwork. Yeah, so you're gonna have fun and you're gonna get paid for doing what you love. So right now I have a project on my hands, and eventually by the end of it, I'll get paid for doing what I love, and I'll have a toy in the meantime. What's not to love? So that's my purpose with this channel, guys, is I'm here to teach you guys. Everyone else, you know, there's a lot of YouTube channels out there and everyone just shows you like, look at my new expensive thing. I just bought a Range Rover. I just bought this. I just bought that. At the end of the day, it's entertainment, but you don't learn. So that's what I'm here for. I want to teach you guys. I want to learn you guys and show you guys that almost anything you want to happen is quite possible, and it can definitely be done. But I just want to show you guys the new build to the channel. It'll be a fun one, and obviously look at it now, because the transformation of this thing by the time it's done will be insane, especially if I go for the green and purple look, because I feel like that would be absolutely filthy if I did green and purple actually instead of going green and black. Green and black's always good, but like I said, you're never going to find another quad out there. Well, someone will probably do it when I'm done, but another quad out there that's green and purple, all about being different. That's what I'm going to aim for. Shoot, if I could find purple header paint, I might even paint the exhaust purple. That would be sick. We'll have to look into that, but we'll get that done. Yeah, this thing, by the time we're done with it, guys, is going to look awesome. And like I said, so something so simple, and when you know how much I bought this for, I might tell you sooner than by the time I sell it, but you'll be like, wow, it is so achievable to do things like this and this when you think small, when you think really small. Because this, honestly, for everything I'm going to do to this, I could probably get this done in a weekend, and you see, like, I could turn this around, make some money on it just like that by doing simple things, fixing things up, and, you know, getting it in top condition. Quick update here on the truck. We've got, oh my goodness, you won't even know how many packages I ordered. So we're gonna have some eco diesel content coming at you. Yes, I said eco diesel, not Cummins. We're gonna have eco diesel content coming at you. I'm gonna do some, you know, exhaust upgrades, tuning, pedal commander. We're gonna make one, pretty much an animal, coming up here very soon. Also, I'm gonna have some suspension upgrades coming for the truck. Yes, you heard that right, suspension upgrades. I'm going to the Luke Combs concerts tonight, actually, in Columbus, so we'll be leaving here very soon. Once we get back, seat belts will be coming out. Those will be going through a color change. So we're going to be doing that. I got a funny thing for inside there too. That'll be fun. Got a lot of stuff coming, a lot of stuff on its way. I'm going to be able to order this air intake very soon. We're going to get that coming. Spare tire, a lot of people ask me. We're in the works on something with that. That's coming soon. Bumpers, in the process of working on something with that. Bumpers coming soon. This truck is going to be coming together very quickly, very rapidly here. I got a lot of stuff coming. Like I said, eco diesel content, Hellcat content, truck content, ATV content, and yes, I know everyone's like, where's the Jeep? I wanted you to get a Jeep. The Jeep is definitely coming as well, because I can't drive this in the winter, and I can't drive this in the winter, and you can't drive this on the road. So I definitely need a winter vehicle. Lots of stuff coming soon, guys. Stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. I just want to say thank you guys for your support. As this is uploaded, or this weekend, we will probably hit 80,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in always. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing, and stay tuned, guys, because we're going to have an awesome time with this build. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.